All right, here's an interesting question. So it has n pick 2 is equal to 6 times n minus 1 times pick 1. Like that. I think that's how it's supposed to be written. Okay, so here's a formula that we can use for permutations. So n pick 2, I'll plug an n in, so there'll be n factorial over n minus r is 2 factorial. Now, while I'm on that side, n factorial just means n times the number 1 less than that, so it'd be n minus 1, and then n minus 2, and you could just keep going, right? And this keep going, instead of dot, 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 I can just write a factorial there that means keep going on until you get down to 1. But I notice mathematically that what I can do, so on the top I'll have n times n minus 1 times n minus 2, and I notice on the bottom I have that same thing, n minus 2 factorial. I need a factorial there that says it keeps going. So those two will cancel. So on the left, I'm just left with n times n minus 1. Now on the right, I'll do a similar kind of thing. So I have 6 times, so this is what goes in to that spot up there. So it'd be 6 times, okay, n minus 1 factorial all over. The n is n minus 1, that's that. Minus r is 1 factorial. So I have 6 times, okay, this will be n minus 1 factorial times n minus 2 times, keep going. And I just did that one there because I noticed that on the bottom, negative 1 minus 1 is minus 2 factorial. Notice that on the top and the bottom I have those two that I can cancel. So this is equal to 6 times n minus 1. That's all that's left on the right side. Now let's do the distributive property. And then let's collect our n's. So I have n squared minus 7n plus 6 is equal to 0. So now I'll try and factor. And I think it's n minus 6, n minus 1. So either n is 6 or n is equal to 1. I probably need to go back and check in the original question. Let me just see. So if I put a 1 in right there, that doesn't make sense to have the first number smaller than the next number. So I would say 1 doesn't work. But 6 probably does. And you can check that on your calculator. So go 6 pick 2, see what that comes out to. And then go 6 times 6 minus 1 pick 1. And see what that comes out to. And I'm pretty sure it'll come out to the same. Maybe I'll try it in Desmos and just see if that works. Okay. Desmos. Okay, here we go. Whoops. Right there. Okay, where's my pick stuff? So I'll have, I go to stats and pick. So it's NPR, so I put my first number in and then comma the second number. So 6, comma 2. That comes out to 30. Okay, on the next one I'll have a 6 and then bracket and then get my pick thing. 6 minus 1 is 5, so it'd be 5, comma 1. Comma 1, bracket, bracket. Both come out to 30, so 6 works. Okay, hopefully that helps you.